Learn English to Gujarati tech vocabulary, reliability to.
જાળવણી.
Welcome to the slightly chaotic tech lab. You are about to learn useful Gujarati words through a funny little adventure. Relax, listen, and enjoy the mess before we organize it. Welcome, brave learner. Today you walk into a strange tech lab where nothing is normal. The coffee machine gives software advice, the printer has feelings, and one server insists it is an artist. But to survive this delightful disaster, you need 8 powerful words. First comes reliability.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
If a machine works every time, it has.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
Next is stability.
સ્થિરતા.
A table that does not wobble has.
સ્થિરતા.
Then flexibility.
લવચિકતા.
A plan that can bend without breaking has.
લવચિકતા.
Then compatibility.
સુસંગતતા.
If the charger and phone work together, that is.
સુસંગતતા.
We also need scalability,
સ્કેલેબિલિટી.
which means something can grow. Then error proneness,
ભૂલપ્રવણતા.
the tendency to make mistakes. Then fault tolerance,
ખામી સહનશીલતા.
when a system keeps working even after a problem. And finally maintenance,
જાળવણી.
the care that keeps things running. Excellent. You are now officially smarter than the lab toaster. Meet the machines. Let us meet the lab team. They are dramatic, but very educational. Machine number 1 is a proud old clock. It always works on time, never complains, and secretly judges everyone. Its special power is.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
Reliability is.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
Machine number 2 is a heavy bridge model on the engineer's desk. Even when the fan blows hard, it stays calm. That is.
સ્થિરતા.
Stability is.
સ્થિરતા.
Machine number 3 is a yoga-loving robot. It stretches, bends, and somehow touches its metal toes. That is.
લવચિકતા.
Flexibility is.
લવચિકતા.
Machine number 4 is a charger looking for true love. It meets one phone, then another, and finally finds the right one. Ah, romance. That is.
સુસંગતતા.
Compatibility is.
સુસંગતતા.
Machine number 5 is a tiny app with giant dreams. Today it has 10 users. Tomorrow it wants 10 million in a fan club. That dream is called.
સ્કેલેબિલિટી.
Scalability is.
સ્કેલેબિલિટી.
Machine number 6 is a sleepy keyboard operator who types hello as H Lalo. Again and again. That problem is.
ભૂલપ્રવણતા.
Error proneness is.
ભૂલપ્રવણતા.
Machine number 7 is a strong server cluster. One part fails, but the whole system keeps smiling and working. That is.
ખામી સહનશીલતા.
Fault tolerance is.
ખામી સહનશીલતા.
Machine number 8 is a patient mechanic with a wrench, a checklist, and absolutely no time for nonsense. That daily care is.
જાળવણી.
Maintenance is.
જાળવણી.
Tiny story, big vocabulary. Now listen to a mini story. Try to notice each Gujarati word when it appears. One morning, the lab manager walked in and said, "Why is the coffee machine giving network advice?" No one answered. The old server, however, was doing well because it had.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
The control platform showed.
સ્થિરતા.
Even during heavy traffic, the new engineer smiled because the team had enough
લવચિકતા.
to adapt to sudden changes. Then a worker checked whether the old tablet and the new cable had.
સુસંગતતા.
Good news, they did. Better news, the system also had.
સ્કેલેબિલિટી.
So more users could join without disaster. Then came trouble. A tired intern caused some.
ભૂલપ્રવણતા.
And clicked the wrong button. But the network survived thanks to.
ખામી સહનશીલતા.
Finally, the team scheduled.
જાળવણી.
Fixed the little issues and the coffee machine stopped applying for a management position. A peaceful ending, more or less. Useful sentences you can steal. Here are practical example sentences. Borrow them boldly. Languages love recycling. Reliability is important. In Gujarati, reliability is.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
Example. The company is known for its.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
Single quote. Stability is important for long-term growth. Stability is.
સ્થિરતા.
Example. The bridge needs.
સ્થિરતા.
In strong wind, flexibility helps people adapt to change. Flexibility is.
લવચિકતા.
Example. This job requires.
લવચિકતા.
Single quote. Compatibility matters when things must work together. Compatibility is.
સુસંગતતા.
Example. We checked the.
સુસંગતતા.
Of the charger and the phone. Scalability is important for a growing app. Scalability is.
સ્કેલેબિલિટી.
Example. Cloud services improve.
સ્કેલેબિલિટી.
Single quote. Error proneness means a tendency to make mistakes. Error proneness is.
ભૂલપ્રવણતા.
Example. Fatigue can increase.
ભૂલપ્રવણતા.
Single quote. Fault tolerance keeps a system running after a failure. Fault tolerance is.
ખામી સહનશીલતા.
Example.
ખામી સહનશીલતા.
Keeps a system running even when one part fails. Maintenance prevents problems. Maintenance is.
જાળવણી.
Example. Good.
જાળવણી.
Prevents problems. Mini dialogues from the Nerd Kingdom. Let us make the words speak. Short dialogues help your memory wake up and do its job. A. Can we trust this machine? B. Yes, it has.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
A. Why is this tower safe in strong wind? B. Because of its.
સ્થિરતા.
A. Why is yoga useful for the robot? B. It improves.
લવચિકતા.
A. Does this cable work with my laptop? B. Yes, it has good.
સુસંગતતા.
A. Can this platform grow? B. Yes, it has strong.
સ્કેલેબિલિટી.
A. Why are there so many mistakes in this rushed process? B. Because of.
ભૂલપ્રવણતા.
A. Why did the app stay online? B. Because of.
ખામી સહનશીલતા.
A. Why is the elevator stopped? B. For.
જાળવણી.
Quick recall challenge. Your turn. I ask, you answer. If you whisper dramatically, you get imaginary bonus points. What is the Gujarati word for reliability?
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
What is the Gujarati word for stability?
સ્થિરતા.
What is the Gujarati word for flexibility?
લવચિકતા.
What is the Gujarati word for compatibility?
સુસંગતતા.
What is the Gujarati word for scalability?
સ્કેલેબિલિટી.
What is the Gujarati word for error proneness?
ભૂલપ્રવણતા.
What is the Gujarati word for fault tolerance?
ખામી સહનશીલતા.
What is the Gujarati word for maintenance?
જાળવણી.
Memory tricks that actually stick. Now let us glue the words into your memory. No actual glue required. That would be bad maintenance. 4.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
Imagine a strong bridge that never shakes. Reliable things feel safe. 4.
સ્થિરતા.
Plant both feet firmly on the floor. Stability feels still and grounded. 4.
લવચિકતા.
Imagine bamboo bending in the wind without breaking. 4.
સુસંગતતા.
Picture two puzzle pieces clicking together perfectly. 4.
સ્કેલેબિલિટી.
Imagine a tiny app growing into a skyscraper. 4.
ભૂલપ્રવણતા.
Think of tired hands pressing the wrong button again and again. 4.
ખામી સહનશીલતા.
Imagine one server going dark while the rest keep glowing. 4.
જાળવણી.
Picture a mechanic happily tightening bolts before anything breaks. Friendly conclusion. You did great. Seriously, even the dramatic printer is impressed. Today you practiced 8 strong English to Gujarati words. Reliability.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
Stability.
સ્થિરતા.
Flexibility.
લવચિકતા.
Compatibility.
સુસંગતતા.
Scalability.
સ્કેલેબિલિટી.
Error proneness.
ભૂલપ્રવણતા.
Fault tolerance.
ખામી સહનશીલતા.
And maintenance.
જાળવણી.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back to this chapter whenever you want your Gujarati vocabulary to become more reliable, more stable, and definitely less error prone. See you next time.